got him.
There. G'day, welcome to Pancakes Fishing. Today we have come out to the Movavi River. See if we can catch something. We've got shrimp, yabbies, cheese, and I dug some worms today because I went around to Chuka trying to find some worms, and everyone's like, we're out of worms, we haven't got any worms, blah 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 blah. And then I was like, alright, I'm gonna have to go dig some worms. So I went out to a friend's place, got some worms, and I was digging them in a chook pen, and the chook's like stealing my worms as I was digging them up and like taking them out of my container. So, but I still got like 100 worms. But yeah, so see if those worms work. We'll see you in a minute. Here you go.
Hi guys.
Go share a microphone.
What?
I gave you a microphone.
Yeah.
All right, let's get some rods in.
Fluffy. It's so fluffy. It's like an animal. It's like a little puppy or a little kitty cat. Oh my god, it's so fluffy. It's so fluffy. Hold the rod.
Yeah, hang on. I'm just gonna walk down here a bit so I can cast it.
Oh shit, don't follow him. Idiot. Is it safe? Whee!
Okay. Nice big cast. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Okay. You right? Here you
I'm testing out my new shoes.
go. Shay's breaking in some new shoes today.
Well, I thought I had a ding. Oh, it's dinging.
Is it? Might just be settling.
My feet are hurting.
Oh, you in your chair?
Yeah. Let's see it. Shit. Here? Is that a good spot?
Here, you want to?
Oh,
You want the shade, so
yeah.
it's a bit further back here. Shit. Getting a bit scared. Thought the sinker was going to hit me in the back of the head. Alrighty. Now we've got a special hook to put on this one. Oh. Somewhat. I suppose when the fish comes and grabs him from the tail, the hooks will grab into him. At least that's the hope. I'm pretty sure that was me yabby coming off. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Interesting idea, but oh, at least that yabby gets to go free.
What happened?
The yabby came off.
Oh.
Righto.
Want me to hold you?
You want to hold that? All right.
Don't get me, Gabby.
All right.
Take two. Whoa.
I'm not sure if that's like shrimp or something, you know?
Yeah.
Wonder whether the yabby will come off this time. Didn't seem like it came off.
Is he still on? Whoa.
What?
Is he Yabby still on?
I think so. Oh, I missed him. He's really right there.
Your rod?
Well, no, I pulled the bait out of the water and it was like right at the bank basically.
Ah.
I said, is he really right there?
The fish?
I don't think this fishing up here is doing any good.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna have to put the fucking rod holders down there.
Okay.
It's not working.
Yeah.
The wind's blowing too hard too, as well. And it's making the line go slack, so there's too much slack for the rod holders to go off. Nothing's on it.
Want me to reel it in?
No, leave it. It's got the yabby on it. Stupid yabby probably set the rod holder off himself. He did not. Something ate his tail and did not get hooked. Wow. Something ate him.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah. I just left it because he said it was not doing good.
Yeah, I thought the yabby might have set it off himself.
Mm.
No, there was no fish on it. I seen it wasn't bending or anything.
Yeah.
Bloody, oh, what a snaky fish, eh?
Yeah.
Bloody set it off without bloody getting hooked.
Mm.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna run out of small yabbies. I already have. Oh no, I've got one left. This one. Turn the hooks around and I'll try and cast him out in a similar fucking spot. Wish the fish came back and took his head. That nut, tails, claws and guts is good enough for me.
What?
Yeah, no worms. Took them all.
Did it?
Yep. Whole time that was in probably had no worms on it. You said they were biting on the worms. They might have been biting.
Yeah.
I should have reeled it in then. Look at those worms. I got them all digging.
While I was sleeping.
Yeah, while he was sleeping. Oh, geez, there's one. He has chosen himself. He should be the one we use. Ugh.
I had 2 Maltesers while you were on the toilet.
Did ya? Yeah, I started just eating 2 as well.
Yeah. Gotta keep that figure.
There's not many Maltesers, that's why I'm only eating 2.
Yeah.
It wasn't like I got a diet. It's because I'd eaten
All
a
of them?
bloody massive bag of Maltesers.
Yeah, I put my hand in. I was like, what?
Yeah, there's only like 10 left or something like that.
Yeah.
So I'm like eating them like 2.
I can hear a bell.
Which one?
Blind. I don't know.
Yeah.
Or is it the wind? That one! It went
Nah,
off.
he's not on. Is he? You want to come down here?
No, I'm good.
There's steps here.
No, I'm fine.
Legit, like it's even got it's dug into the ground here, so you sort of like you've got the sides here to walk up and go down, sort of thing. I don't know. It's up to you. Need those fingers that like dig into the ground or something, so it stays out deep instead of going into the shallows where all the little silver perch and shit are.
You're always needing something.
Yeah, I know, right? Look at my cute little reel I got today. Look how beautiful it is.
Aww.
Gotta hold that part there.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, how cool is that?
How much was it?
$25.
Nice.
I wasn't sure whether I wanted to stick it on this one or not.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. It's up to you.
The reel's still good, it's just an old reel.
Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay. Wow, look, it does it by itself.
Huh?
See?
Yeah.
You don't need to use your hand.
Yeah. It's blurs.
Spin, baby, spin.
Here,
Now reel my fish in for me.
I'd love to get one of those, like a fishing reel that reels in the foyer.
Yeah, that'd be pretty cool. And then you can let it do it for you.
Yeah. So this sinker here digs into it's got wire bits. It digs into the ground and it stops it from moving.
I feel like they would get stuck in the rocks.
There's no rocks here though.
Oh, yeah. Duh.
Probably one of the only places you could use it. The only problem is it's so big and heavy. It'd probably feel like a fish if reeling in a fish when you're reeling it in. So the idea of this sinker is when it gets when the current tries to pull it, it'll get pulled in and then it'll just stay in place. And the fish can still grab it and pull on it. I don't know how it will go with me rod holder, whether it will still work or not. I guess we'll find out. Hopefully there's bigger fish further out. Maybe I should have flicked my bail with such a heavy sinker. Hmm. Did you just hear what I did?
No?
I forgot to flick the bail.
Oh.
So when I casted it, it just snapped the line and I lost the sinker.
Wow.
Yeah. Whoops.
Well, they don't work.
What?
They must not work after all.
Why?
Because you lost it.
Yeah, because it's so heavy it bloody broke me. The line just snapped.
Fucking hell.
That's somewhat slightly depressing.
Oh well, let's go home.
Ha! You're hilarious. This line won't break off.
How heavy is it?
40 pounds.
Shit, yeah, she's bloody
Yeah.
strong. Hope you don't get a snag.
Yeah.
Because you'll be standing there for ages.
I'll probably reel a snake in.
Yeah.
I'll probably reel a snake in.
You're
Most
like,
likely.
got rid of that snag.
Yeah.
You just took like Mary Cod's home. You're like, oh my god. I'm so sorry. I just reeled in your home.
Yeah.
Uh,
Reeled in the Maricot's home.
yeah. You just reeled in their bed. In their kitchen.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding.
Sorry, Maricot, I didn't mean to reel in your kitchen, in your bedroom, in your little bed.
Look, I'm at our old spot.
Yeah, that's our old spot.
Walkie, walkie, walk. Oh, sticks. Walkie, walkie,
Alright,
walk.
once again,
Walkie,
gets caught in
walkie,
the
walk.
current, won't move.
Meow.
Though that is probably another problem,
Walkie, walkie,
is
walk.
the weeds. But, I suppose, we will endeavour to figure that out at the time. Maybe throwing it in the current wasn't the best idea. Yeah. What is that?
Is it shady down there?
Yeah, it's shady down here. Do you want to come down?
Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. Keep going that way. Keep going. Keep going. Now come to me.
Come.
Keep going. There's a starts to slow down once you get here. Yep. That's it. Got another step coming. Beautiful, beautiful. Another step.
Do you want to take that down then?
Yeah. Alright. Step. That's it. Oh. Oh shit. Alright, now. Yeah, it's a bit more to the step. Alright, step. That's it, beautiful. And step. That's it. And then the step. Yep, that's it. And then there's one little step. That's it. There you go. Now on slightly leveler ground.
Thanks.
You're alright. Shing, shing, shing. Shing, shing, shing. Yeah. That's it.
You just go down and then, I don't know.
It's alright.
It takes for ages.
Oh no, there's a magpie's eating my fucking worms!
You go.
Little bastard. I know we're friends, but Jesus. That doesn't mean you can help yourself to me worms. It took me ages to get those. Where's my lid? Ugh. This is really windy. I think there's a fish on here. Maybe. Yeah, there's a fish on it. What do we get? A little Murray cod. Was it a trout cod? I think it's a Murray cod.
Did you get him?
Yeah, I got a little Murray cod.
Yay!
Hang on, I'll just quickly take a photo of him on my phone and then...
On cheese?
No!
Oh my gosh.
On me worms.
Oh my gosh. Of course. Of course that
I
happened.
stuck like... There we go. Yeah, he's beautiful. I stuck like 3 worms on each hook because I was like, oh, I'm sick of these fish taking all my worms.
Yeah.
I bet you that's what's eating the bloody, that's biting on the cheese.
Yeah.
Alright. You come down?
Yeah. Coming down scary.
Is it? Get on around me. That's it. Next one. Yeah. Stand on my foot if you want. Is it? Would you want me to make?
Finger hit the GoPro.
Oh, okay. Is that long one? Yep. There you go. Beautiful. Gonna step down again.
It's way easier going up.
Oh my god, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because you've got the sides.
Yeah. I just held on to the sides.
Yeah, you got the sides to sort of pull yourself up a bit.
Well, he left.
Yeah. The magpie.
He said they're coming to get me.
Yeah, no, he's trying to get the worms again.
Naughty.
But I put the lid on the container. Wonder how many worms he ate.
He said, you remember me?
A lot of them.
Whoa.
Oh, this is a full packet of worms.
No.
Yeah.
Oh no.
No way. He ate most of the worms.
You spent your hard work, bloody.
Oh no, I got
catching
more
those-
packets of worms, but
Oh, they're upstairs, aren't
yeah.
they? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, pretty much all of the worms.
Oh, that was a bite.
Isn't too bad, wasn't it? We'll see how we go.
Yeah. Oh, careful.
Hang on. Careful.
That was a bite, yeah?
I think he dropped it. Yeah. think I got him. I don't know. Yep, got him. Carp.
Ugh. Carp. I hate carp.
Do we eat him?
No, they didn't tell you in the comments if you should eat one that size or not.
Okay.
We still got to eat our carp at home.
Yeah, no.
We're not taking home more till we eat that. Was that my fishing rod again?
Yeah, same rod, yeah. Worms.
Oh yeah.
Worms. They're doing some sort of slime thing or something.
Slime thing.
Yeah, the worms. What if they're like breeding?
Oh my gosh. They're
You know what I
making
mean?
you more.
Like that's like, was it? Worm. Worm jack. Worm milk.
Jizz.
Worm milk.
Oh yeah, worm milk.
Yeah. What if it's like worm milk? Ew.
What if that's like attracting the fish more because it's like worm
Yeah.
milk?
I was thinking they're going crazy on these bloody worms. They're going harder on these worms than the bloody European night crawlers. Like, as soon as I cast there, boy, I started getting bites.
Yeah, because you're like, I'll go check on that rod. No, I nearly bloody jumped up.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're like, watch out, you'll fall in.
I was just worried you might fall because it's really bumpy and shit.
Yeah, it is really bumpy. Whoa, what was that? Or something similar to that.
Ugh,
I feel like it's another carp.
I think I got him. You reckon another carp?
If you got him... Nah, I'm just kidding.
No, I don't think I got him anymore.
Oh, what?
He might have came off.
Oh.
Yeah, he came off, didn't he? No, he's still on. Another carp, yeah.
Yeah, if you got it like that, sitting down. It's tainted! Nah, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking when I got the carp. I was like, ugh. It's tainted now.
At least you're getting the carp out of the water.
That's it. Stick this in his mouth.
Did you drop him on your shoes?
No.
I wonder if Roo will be sniffing his shoes again.
Yeah, he was like rubbing his face all over him and everything.
Yeah.
That
Our
was
cat.
weird.
Our cat named Roo.
Ah, my Yabby came off. Good luck, Yabby.
Good luck, Yabby. Hopefully. And then Trent comes back and it's like, it's slack. And I'll be like, well, it wasn't the wind after all.
What's going on with this road? The worms are getting bites and bites and bites and bites and then nothing.
I might have took it.
That's what I'm thinking. Yep. That's what's happened.
Maybe when I thought it was windy and the bell was dingling, it was like getting bites because it was dingling.
I may have run out of worms.
Oh my gosh.
Not like in the 2 packets, I might have to get another packet.
If you don't get takeout, you might lose a bit of weight.
Take it.
No. After going up and down those stairs a bunch of times.
Yeah.
I don't mind catching little maricob, but I don't like catching little carp.
Mm.
I don't like catching carp at all, to be honest.
Yeah.
If you keep catching carp, you might become the carp page.
No, that guy in Melbourne is.
Yeah,
He's like specifically goes and catches carp.
yeah.
And he's like, I'm just getting them out of the
We
water.
don't, and we fucking catch heaps of carp.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, here we go. Getting some action. Huh?
Little. Oh, he's on.
Carp.
Yeah, probably. He's kicking a bit though. Could be a silver perch. Or a nice, oh, not a nice maricod, but a bigger maricod. Nope, it's a carp.
Oh. I really wanted to go to Torumbury today.
What'd you say?
I kind of wanted to go to Torumbury today.
Do you want to go? You want to pack up and go to Thornbury?
No,
Okay. I'm sorry.
it's fine. We go where you go, because you do the fishing.
My nail broke.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's a thick nail. Look at mine.
I
Oh.
wonder if I can. I wonder if I can trim it with my fucking. So, turns out that gives me a serrated fingernail.
Oh, fair enough.
I mean, if I wanted to saw through something, yep.
Don't pick your nose with that then. It's just like your nose starts bleeding because you like cut your fucking
Yeah, that's it.
inside of your nose. Yeah.
Need a nail file, son.
Yeah, both of those nails.
You're the one catching fish, though.
Yeah, because I know I don't like fucking carp.
You got a Murray cod too, though.
Yeah. That was cute. I kind of wanted to hold it.
Did you?
It was like 10 centimeters.
You probably should have said something to me before I released it then.
Nah, it's okay. You gotta put them back in the water really
Yeah.
fast. If they're not like legal or whatever.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Ooh, Trent. You could like hook it. Did you bring your bone cutter scissors
What for?
to dispatch those carp?
What?
I don't know.
No?
Do you have a knife here?
Probably. Somewhere.
Oh fuck, I dropped your nail by accident. Oh,
It's okay, I didn't want to touch it anyways.
I was playing with it.
Were ya?
Oh, carp and worms have been touching it. That was a bit bigger bite.
Nah, they're the same as the other ones, really.
Don't you want to catch a little maricod?
I do. Alright, well that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications when I upload, because I'm trying to upload every week on a Tuesday at 7 AM. So if you're interested to watch my videos on Tuesday at 7 AM in the mornings, well, that's when I'm uploading. Hopefully I can get around to uploading more than once a week, but at the moment I'm uploading once a week. Alright, see you in the next one.